Hi, Mike Perone. Quick video today. My son showed up to do a quick video with me. All right, he's shooting it. 4-foot piece of 2x4, right? Half of an 8-footer, okay? Over here, Mike. Half of an 8-footer gives you this. 8 heavy forces and 4 light forces. All right? That's just half of a 2x4. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go and bang out 4 heavy forces, single firefighter, and 4 light forces, all right, on the door. Just to show you how much training you can get on just a half of a 2x4, all right? Obviously, a full 8-footer is gonna give you 16 heavy forces and 8 lights. That's a lot of training, but I'm gonna show you how you can do single firefighter. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of different techniques, all right? Hopefully the wood is gonna give me good forces, all right? I want it to be hard so I can go on to different techniques, all right? So let me, without further ado, throw these on. I gotta load the door up. Grab a piece. Hopefully be strong. I didn't soak any of this wood, so, you know, hopefully it gives me good forces. Remember, you can always soak the wood and get better forces. I'm just gonna load it up for gapping, all right? Come on this side, Mike. Gonna open this door up. We'll do that in a little bit. Okay, come over here so you can see the jam. Gotta put my gloves on. All right, ready? Single firefighter, okay, I may have to use chocks if it gives me a hard time, like as if they're in my helmet. I check the door is locked. I got a metal jam, right? Slam it in, points up and going down. No, that's pretty good wood. Yeah, that's not bad, that's not bad. That's when I look to see what's holding. I turn the tool to try and clear it. It may not go. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. All right, and I got the door, all right? Stay right there, Mike. I'm gonna load it up again. All right, throw that in the garbage. Grab another one. I'm hoping it's strong. This piece is strong enough that it'll make me go to the second move. I hope it doesn't go. I'm not gonna, I'll see. Ready? Door's locked, metal jam. Bang, points up, going down. That is good. All right, this wood's good. I didn't even soak it. Okay, I'm not getting this. So I'm gonna go on to this move. Check this out. You take that, you drop a chock in, hold your purchase, pull the tool out, drop the fork in, okay, because you're by yourself. Nobody's here to hit for me. You come to here, drop that in, drop behind, clear it. That's 2. This. Another one. We're going to do 4 from this side, and then we'll do 4 from the other side. All right? So that on this side, if you remember, with this swing of the door, you're going opposite the point, you're going down. Here we go again. Boom. Let's see what this piece is. That's breaking pretty easy. All right, I'm going to say, I can't get it. It is pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go with a different technique here. All right, I'm gonna go take my chock. Remember, back of the chock, smaller than the adze is wide, right? So I can actually drop it in, let the door collapse on it, grab it here, and gap again. Yeah, I got it. Now I don't even have to do the same. All right, one more from this side, and then I'll do from the other side. How we doing, Mike?
Good.
Another piece. Okay. Last one from this side. Then we're going to do some opposite the point where you got to go up on the other door. All right? That's the beauty of my door, too. With 2 doors, whatever you're going to hit in the field, you can train on. Whatever you're going to hit. I got a door that swings this way at 4 in the morning. I drop this in. I know the point's up. I'm going down. That's an easy one. All right, let's clear it out. Okay. All right. That's 4 on that side. Mike, I'm going to close this door and load this side up. I'm gonna come around the other way. All right. Okay. Chalk up there in case I need it. Open this one up, get this out of the way. Chalk up there in case I need it. All right, now come on this side, Mike, so you can see the jam. Now this time I got a door that swings this way. And I come in here, boom. Okay, points down. I gotta go up, opposite the point. Oh. Okay. Turn the tool, same direction. When you do this second move to get a deadbolt in the real world to pull out, because it's already bent from the first move, put your shoulder here, guys. Don't put it over here, where this is shorter, less leverage, and it hurts your shoulder. Come back here, where it's almost like it's made for your shoulder, all right? Okay, get the door to there, and finish it off. All right. All right. 4 in the morning, I come in here, I check the door's locked, I got a metal jam, so I know I gotta get it. I put it in here, I got the point down, I'm gonna go opposite the point, going up. Oh, that's a good piece of wood. Oh, shit. All right. All right, I get it to here, all right? I can hold with a chalk, all right? I'm gonna hold with a chalk. I'm gonna say I got a wall here. I'm gonna throw a little curveball. Say I got a wall here, right? I hold with a chalk, right? And in the real world, when you hold with a chalk, guys, beat the chalk in. It's beaten in, not off of a prop, it's beaten in off a soft door. So the door's gonna move for you real easy to get the fork in there or better. You got metal chocks, do that too. I have a metal chock, I'll use it on the next one, all right? Once you get to here, let's say I got a wall, okay? So I get to there, and so far, I can still, with a wall, I can still do what I'm gonna be doing. Get here, nice piece of wood. Get here, hold that, right? Now, if I didn't have a wall, I would love to get the adze back there and just, the adze behind the jam and just go opposite the point. But let's say I got a wall here, all right? I can't do this move. So what I'm gonna do is, I got it open that far, I'm gonna go bevel to door, go to the door again. Watch. Okay, I get to here. Now, if I hold with a chalk and try and get the adze behind, the wall may still be a factor. So I'm not even gonna wait to see if that's the case. I'm gonna, gotta get my wood out of there first. Yeah, I'm gonna draw back and put the chalk now behind the fork. As long as it's beveled to door, it'll hold onto the jam. Now watch this. Now, look, even with a wall, it's not a factor. I got a wall, okay? What do I got? I got 2 more heavies left, Mike. Okay. That was a good piece. I'm glad it gave me a hard time. All right. Drop the chalk in, hold it up against the door. Okay. I think I'm going to use the metal chalk this time around. If hopefully it gives me a good resistance, I can use that. Okay. All right, metal chalk. Metal jam again. Door's locked. I'm going to drop this in, using the door stop and doing the gap method. Points down. I'm going up. Oh, yeah. Oh man. Oh, shoot. Oh, that one didn't have good second life. All right, I'm gonna pop it then. I'm just gonna pop it. All right, okay. I hope the next one, that was good first life on that wood, but it didn't give me good second life. All right, last one on the floor. So far, all these heavy forces, you're talking about a half a 2x4. So, it's a lot of training with just a half a 2x4. All right, coming here again, bang, points down, going up. Oh yeah, got a good one here. Okay, hopefully it's got good second life too. Okay, so I get to there, I turn the tool, yeah, I ain't getting it, I'm not gonna kill myself. I come back to the first move, right? Now I can do two things. I can take this chock and beat it in, or I can use it as a spacer again. But I'm gonna put it in here, and the beauty of metal chocks, that's like having an axe head, guys. You can beat that in. You're by yourself. You can beat that. The chock fall off the top here. The chock's gonna fall too. You get it to there. Look how much damage I did already. Look how far the door is already off. Here, this will fall out of the way. Now I got it easy. That made it easy. Okay? Metal chock. There you go. Fire Hooks Unlimited. Makes things beautiful. They do a nice job. Okay. Now we got lights. All right? So I'm going to put a light in. Chocks are falling all over. That's it. All right. I'm going to put the light in. Just stay on this side, Mike, for a minute. All right. I'll put a light in. And we're going to force. All right. Come on this side. The reason I'm going left hand first is because I swing better from the left. Come on this side, Mike. I swing better from the left, so I don't look so embarrassed on the first two swings. Remember, I got 3 lights, all right? So, and listen, the door is not, for us to move it around, this is my demo door at the shop. For us to move it around, we got it on a pallet. So normally, I'd be spiking from waist height, okay? But I'm spiking, because it's on a pallet, I'm spiking from 4 inches down, all right? Remember, guys, you're only spiking wooden jams because if you did gap the door stop on a wooden jam, it would just snap off probably. Once it does that, turn around, spike through the wooden jam. This is plywood. The real world is just 1x pine over 2x4. The real world goes in real easy. Plywood is a lot harder to spike, but it's better to practice harder than it is to practice easy and have it harder out in the real world. So we're all good. I size it up nice. All right, bang and bang. Okay, that's 1 force on that. I got 3 more to go on lights. That one good. All right. Another one. All right. Now this time I'm going to spike, and you saw I went down, right? This time I'm going to spike and come in, a little bit different method, okay? Right, and now I'm close enough to the door, watch. Come in too, all right? Get it to there, pull the door, pull out, finish it. All right, Mike, I'm gonna, can't get the wood out. There you go. All right, come on, we'll open this door. And we'll come on this side. I'll spike right-handed. Don't laugh out there. I don't spike good right-handed. That's why I put 2 doors in. I know everybody's got a strong side and a weak side when it comes to swinging. And watch, the technique is different too. Once I spike it, adds is up. I got to either go up or in. Okay. So my right-hand swing, I got to really concentrate on. Okay, not a bad spike. Okay, I can come up on this, up and in, or I'm close enough that I can come straight in. All right, so I'll try the up and in. See, it's what's bad is it's up on a pallet. I'd be normally this tall. So now we're just gonna come in. Oh, it's not that easy. Yeah. Alright, tough piece of wood. That's good though. Got it to there. Once I get it to there. Oh. Damn. Throw that piece of the garbage. That hurt. Okay, the last light piece, right? We did 8 heavies